Hello and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create NFT art designs using Canva. In this video, we will touch upon Canva's user-friendly interface, how you can create NFT art designs on the platform for free, and the key points you need to consider before selling designs created with Canva. So let's begin. This is the home page of Canva. On the top navigation bar, you can see Canva provides templates for a variety of genres. But to use any of these or to create a design from scratch on the platform, you need to first join Canva. If you already have a Canva account, simply log in using the login button on the top right corner of the home page. If you don't have an account on Canva, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. A pop-up window will open where you can continue with Google or Facebook or sign up with your email. We are using the email option and signing up here. Once you're successfully logged in or signed up, you are ready to use the platform to create NFT art designs for free. Before we demonstrate for you how to create NFT art designs on Canva for free, let's take a brief look at Canva's terms and conditions about using designs created on the platform for sale. On this page, you can see for content, for Canva free users, Pro content is watermarked. You can remove this watermark by buying a license to use the content in that design for $1. Or you can also subscribe to Canva Pro or Canva for Teens, where there is nothing more to pay. For license, here you can see that a license is issued to you when you use content in a design. Let's look at what is allowed. You can use content in a Canva design for a wide range of personal and commercial uses. You can use content from Canva in marketing or social media, or even sell merchandise with your design on it. Don't resell, redistribute, or take credit for unaltered media provided through Canva. You can also go through the using content in your designs section to get a better idea about what you can do using Canva. Now let's move on and start creating our NFT design on Canva for free. Amongst the various templates available on Canva, the one we recommend to create NFT art designs is the Instagram template. Hover your mouse on the design spotlight button on the top left corner and then click on Instagram. When you click on it, you will be taken to a page where you can see the design for Instagram button. Click on it and two options will appear, which are Instagram stories and Instagram posts. We recommend Instagram posts as it's a square shaped canvas of 1080 to 1080 pixels, as you can see here. For NFT designs, it is better to use a square template like this. This is the design interface. If you are new to Canva, you can go through this tour to better understand the interface, or else click on Skip Tour. This is the canvas, and on the left sidebar you have options to design using templates or elements, or upload a design from your computer, or add texts, and there are also many other options. Let's start designing our first NFT art design. First, we will change the canvas background to something catchy. Click on the color palette on the top left corner to add a solid color to the canvas, and click on your preferred color here, and the color of your canvas will change automatically. Or you can search for backgrounds in the search bar here and choose any of these. Now let's search for the main character of our NFT design. Since almost all NFT designs are done using faces of animals, so let's search for something in that niche. Select the Elements tab in the left side, and on the search bar type monkey face and press enter. Here you can see there are lots of elements that you can use. The ones that are marked with a crown symbol can be used only with the Pro membership plan. So if you want to use any of those, you need to join Canva's Pro plan. Scroll down through the list to find your desired element. We are continuing with the free element, And this one seems to be perfect for our NFT art design, so we are going ahead with it. By clicking on it, it will be added to the canvas like this. Use your mouse to drag it to your desired position on the canvas. Click on it and then you can scale it or rotate it using the options here. There are also options here like crop, flip, animate, etc. Here on the top left corner, you will see a combination of colors which were used in this element. Click on any of them and select an alternate color from here if you wish to change the color of any of the image parts. You can add as many elements you wish to make your NFT art design unique. To make our design more dramatic, let's add some more elements here. Let's give our monkey a body. Let's search for shirt, and in the search results, click on the desired one. It will be added to the canvas automatically. We are going to scale it and drag it according to what we want. And once the element has been placed in the correct position on the canvas, we need to just right-click on it and select Send to Back. Now let's make this NFT art a little more realistic. Search for hat or any other accessory and click on your desired one in the search results. Scale and drag it on the canvas. Now let's take our creativity ahead and add a spectacle to give it a better look. Search for spectacles and scroll down the search results to find a suitable one. And once you find it, click on it. Scale it to fit according to the face. Now the design looks perfect for our NFT. If you have to make an NFT collection, you need to create a new design, or you can just duplicate this one. For that, click on the Add Page button. First, change the color of the canvas, make it different from the previous one. Now come to the first page, select all the elements by dragging your mouse, and then click on the three dots, and then click on Copy. You can also use Command C or Control C after selecting the elements. Now come to page 2 and paste it here using Command V or Control V. Now to make this page different from page 1, we need to change some colors here. Click on any of the elements and use the color palette on the top left corner. Once you are done, you can create a new design by following the steps that we have done for page 2. And once you're happy with the designs that we have created on the different pages, now you need to save them. For that, on the top right corner, click on Download. In this drop-down menu, make sure PNG is selected in the file type. Then check if all the pages are selected and then click on Download. You will see your designs getting downloaded. You are now ready to use these NFT art designs on an NFT marketplace. With this, our step-by-step tutorial on how to create NFT art designs using Canva is complete. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.